Welcome to Building Inspector demonstration video. This video gives a quick outline of the Building Inspector program. We start by setting up the inspector's details, including logo, through the Tools tab. We continue by clicking on the File menu. Open an existing client, enter details to search by, and then open up their details. The client screen includes marketing information on how the client found us, in this case through our 1300 phone number. The Inspection tab on the Client Details screen allows to view previous inspections, and as we are going to do, add a new inspection. Open Inspection. The Property tab allows us to enter the property's details and also incorporate pictures or floor plans of the property. They are then reduced to a manageable size by the program. We can edit the pictures or floor plans with ease with this program, such as cropping and rotating. We can enter a full range of agent details on the Agent tab, and we can also include the vendor or tenant's details on this screen. Next, the Inspection tab allows us to identify the inspector, type of inspection, type of report, inspection date, and then the weather and people present at this inspection. Now we move on to the Construction tab. This allows us to enter information on the year the home was built, how we knew that information, the type of building, and the type of title. Then we can run through the construction details of the building, and we can also do the same thing for any extensions. Now we move on to the Agreement tab. If there is an inspection agreement, we can include its details. Building Inspector also includes default agreements that can be used as is or modified. The Features tab is the heart of the program, where we enter information on defects. In this case, we are starting with the interior, picking up bedroom 1, then walls, and then cracking. We assign a defect code and its significance as required by Australian Standard AS 4349.1. We can add notes for any defects. This could be one-off, or they can be saved as auto notes for later use. Building Inspector also includes a spell checker to assist the inspector. You can include pictures of a defect simply by selecting from your stored images. The pictures can then be annotated with text, highlighted with arrows, and colors can be selected as appropriate. The same process that was just demonstrated can be used for any defects in a home. We can then easily select from its existing features, or you can add your own. The program allows you to quickly track progress of the inspection via the Progress tab. We have an Invoice tab which allows the user to enter details of charges and payments and automatically calculates GST. Payments can be entered with or without GST in the appropriate cell of the table, and the program calculates the balance due or if it's paid in full. The program also enables you to see a breakdown of the payments and charges. The multi-user version of the program allows for merging of inspections between inspectors who may both be working on the same job. A Conclusions tab allows the inspector to write a conclusion for the inspection, which will then be printed on the report. Building Inspector provides default text, which can be used or modified as required. From the Report tab, the inspector can choose to add his standard attachments and then preview the report. The report can be saved, printed, or emailed in a variety of formats from the preview screen. If required, a watermark can be added to the report. A full training video comes with the program and is also available on request.